Welcome back. Today, I'm revealing the 6 most powerful video hooks that top creators use to go viral. These are proven strategies, no fluff, just actionable steps you can use right now. Ever wonder why some videos explode while others flop? This is the blueprint. By the end, you'll have a toolkit to make every video you post stand out. We'll break down each hook, show real examples, and give you the formula to replicate their success. Ready to change your content game? Let's dive in. Check the description for the full video. First up, the fortune teller hook. This grabs attention by making a bold prediction about the future, something your audience can't ignore. You're not just sharing info, you're promising a revelation. For example, this tiny device will replace your smartphone. Instantly, viewers are hooked. How? Why? Is it possible? The bigger and bolder the claim, the stronger the hook. Imagine starting a video with, "This microwave will change cooking forever." You've seen microwaves, but this one's different. Now you have to know why. The psychology is simple. People crave new information, especially if it could impact their future. By positioning yourself as the one who knows what's next, you become essential viewing. Another example, this is the future of animation, paired with a mind-blowing visual. Instantly, you set a new standard. To use this hook, start with a massive future-facing statement in your niche. Frame it as a before and after. This is how we do things now, but this is how we'll do it soon. You're creating an information gap. The viewer needs you to fill it. Deliver your line with confidence. You're the expert, the visionary. Let your audience in on a secret about the future, and they'll feel like insiders. Practice making bold predictions. This AI tool will write better scripts than a human. This workout will make gyms obsolete. The more specific and daring, the more powerful the hook. You're not just making a video, you're making a prophecy. Everyone wants to see if it comes true. Use this to build authority and make your content unmissable. Find something in your niche you believe in and predict its impact. Make it big, make it bold, and watch your engagement soar. Remember, the fortune teller hook is about showing your audience tomorrow, today. It's a challenge to their understanding, and they'll stick around to see if you're right. This approach works in any niche tech, fitness, business, art. The key is to create tension between now and what's coming. Don't be afraid to go big. Safe predictions don't go viral. Use visuals or statements that make people stop and think. The more curiosity you spark, the longer they'll watch. Make your audience feel like they're getting a sneak peek at the future. That's how you hook them from the very first second. Try it in your next video and see the difference. Next, the experimenter hook. Show, don't just tell. This hook is all about action. You're testing something live and the audience is right there with you. No long intro, just jump straight into the experiment. Example, I'm recording this entire video with smart glasses. Instantly, viewers want to see if it works. The magic is in the proof. You're not pitching, you're demonstrating. This builds trust. Viewers see the results in real time. It feels authentic, unscripted, and personal. The potential for failure adds suspense. Will it work? Will it flop? They have to watch to find out. Another example. They say you can cook a steak in an air fryer in 5 minutes. Let's try it right now. The challenge is set, the outcome is unknown, and the audience is invested. To use this hook, think like a scientist in your niche. What can you test or try for the first time on camera? It doesn't have to be complicated. Try a new app, a viral hack, or a trending product. Frame it as a test. Let's see if this actually works. Show every step. The process is what keeps people watching. The visual journey is key. Let viewers see the experiment unfold. Make it active, not passive. The audience is a participant, not just an observer. Find a popular claim or product and put it to the test. Start your video by stating your intention. I want to find out if it's possible to... This sets up a frame of discovery and invites viewers to join you. The experimenter hook is one of the easiest ways to create real engaging content. It's about curiosity, authenticity, and a little bit of risk. Don't be afraid to fail on camera. Failure is part of the story. The suspense of not knowing the outcome keeps people glued to the end. Use this hook to build credibility and trust with your audience. They'll come back for more because they know you're willing to try things for real. This approach works for any niche: tech, food, fitness, DIY. The key is to make the audience feel like they're discovering something with you. Keep it raw, keep it real, and keep it moving. The experimenter hook turns every video into an adventure. Try it and watch your engagement skyrocket. The teacher hook is all about instant value and authority. You're the expert, and you're about to share a powerful lesson or secret strategy. The promise: here's how I made a brand $1 million in 12 hours using the product drop method. Specificity is key. Vague tips don't work. Give a clear, impressive result and a defined process. This frames you as the mentor, the viewer as the student. People crave self-improvement. When you promise a shortcut or a secret, they pay attention. Use phrases like, here's how I, or I'm going to teach you the secret to. Start with the result, then promise to reveal the process. For example, after analyzing 1,000 viral videos, I discovered they all share these 5 things. The teacher hook works in any niche: editing, marketing, fitness, anything. The delivery matters. Be confident, approachable, and genuinely excited to share. Your energy makes the lesson engaging. Think about your biggest wins or most valuable lessons. Frame them as a teaching moment. Promise a solution or shortcut, then deliver. This builds a loyal community that sees you as a trusted source. People return for more because you consistently provide real value. The teacher hook is a direct transaction, value for attention. Use it to build authority and trust. Make every lesson feel like a must-watch. The magician hook is pure attention-grabbing power. Start your video with a surprising visual or audio trick, a pattern interrupt that makes people stop scrolling. Do something unexpected, a quick visual stunt, a clever edit, or a unique sound effect. It's not about information, it's about creating a sensory jolt in the first 3 seconds. Example, teleporting with a jump cut, or throwing cards at the camera that turn into your video title. These moments break the viewer's passive state and force their brain to engage. Audio works too. A signature sound effect or catchphrase can become your brand's calling card. The psychology surprise triggers curiosity. If the first seconds are this interesting, what's next? Think visually and sonically. Use fast zooms, quick cuts, or simple effects. Even a snap to trigger a transition can be your signature move. Consistency is key. Use your trick in every video to build recognition. The magician hook is your chance to show off personality and creativity. It signals that your content is different and dynamic. You don't need Hollywood effects, just a clever, well-timed trick. Make viewers ask, how did they do that? The magician hook is your showman's flourish. Use it to stand out in a crowded feed. Make your intro unforgettable. That's how you earn attention instantly. The investigator hook taps into our love of secrets and hidden knowledge. You're the detective revealing something most people don't know. Start by hinting at a secret. There's a button on your iPhone you didn't know about. This creates an information gap. Viewers have to watch to become insiders. The value is in the scarcity. It's not just a fact, it's a hidden fact. People love feeling like they have an edge. Use a conspiratorial tone. Don't tell anyone I told you this, but this makes the viewer feel like part of an exclusive club. Example. Every airline has a secret complaint department that can give you free flights. Here's how to find it. The payoff is huge and the info feels exclusive. To use this hook, research your niche for little-known tips, tricks, or hidden histories. Frame your video around revealing the secret. Use words like secret, hidden, uncovered, revealed. Start by stating the existence of the secret, but don't give it away immediately. For example, there's one ingredient in most sodas that's secretly making you tired, and it's not the sugar. Positions you as a trusted source who goes the extra mile. The investigator hook builds authority and makes your channel a go-to for exclusive insights. Use it to make your audience feel like insiders. The contrarian hook is all about challenging the status quo. Start with a statement that goes against popular belief. Everything you've been told about breakfast is wrong. This creates instant conflict and debate. Viewers want to see how you defend your claim. Humans are drawn to arguments. You're throwing down a gauntlet. The hook grabs attention, but you need a strong argument to keep it. Don't be controversial just for clicks. Back up your claim with evidence or a unique perspective. Example, being busy is a sign of failure, not success. This challenges hustle culture and sparks debate. Identify the biggest assumptions in your niche, then flip them. Your hook should be short, sharp, and confident. Stop setting goals. Here's what you should do instead. Deliver with conviction. You're not suggesting, you're declaring a new truth. This positions you as a thought leader, not just another voice in the crowd. The goal isn't just to be different, but to offer a better alternative. Challenge a belief, then back it up with a killer argument. The contrarian hook is how you stand out and spark conversation. Use it to attract both supporters and challengers. That's how you build a passionate, engaged audience. We've just broken down the 6 most powerful hooks to make your videos go viral. Each one is a tool to grab attention and pull viewers in. Don't just watch, pick one and build your next video around it. Whether you're predicting the future, running an experiment, teaching a secret, performing a trick, revealing hidden info, or challenging the status quo, you now have the blueprint. This is how you take your channel to the next level. Let me know in the comments which hook you'll try first. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.